Hello, and thank you for watching our Direct Systems tutorials. Today we're going to find out how to delete a user. So first you will need to go and find your IBSSetup icon. And you will need to know your master ID. Type in your master ID here, and then click on OK. And that's going to bring up this window. And you're going to go into Setup Functions. And then if you know the username that you want to delete, the first thing you want to do is go to Passwords, Passwords All Modules, select the company, and then you will see the user ID and the username here. And if there is a user that you want to delete, first thing you want to do is to remove their permissions from the program. So highlight that name and then click on Delete. And then it wants you to make sure that you are actually wanting to do this, so it makes you click on Delete here in the bottom again. And now you will see that it's removed from the passwords. That does not remove it from your active licenses though. So we want to close out of this screen, go back into Setup Functions, go to Username File, and then we will find that user there again. And because the history is actually saved within IBS on an audit trail of all the things that they have done, you can't actually delete the user themselves, but you can make them no longer active so they don't take up your licenses. It's a simple aspect of, sorry, I went a bit fast there. Click on the name, click on Edit, and then untick this box for active. And actually, we now see that this person actually has passwords to another company. So what we need to do before we can actually deactivate them is go back and let's see, what one was it? For company 3. So we need to go back in, close out of that, to Passwords, choose company 3, and then that's where they are. We're going to go through the same process, delete, delete. We notice they're no longer there, close, and let's see if they're ready to be deleted or inactivated. So we're going to highlight their name, click on Edit, and untick Active. Oh no, they're in another company as well. So once again, we will go back out, go into Passwords, All Modules, Company 4, and delete, and delete. Close because they're no longer there. Now we should be able to edit them. Of course, unless they're in company 5 as well. Nope, they weren't. Now they've disappeared from this list, but they're not gone. You can actually go back in where it says active only up here on the left, untick that, and that same person will be there in case they decide to come back to the company. You will have them already ready to be set up again, but you will have to recreate their passwords and their permissions. I hope that's helped today. Please let us know any questions that you would like to have as a video, and we'll be sure to get it up here. Thank you. Have a lovely day.